One of the areas that I really center my practice around is manufacturing. And in manufacturing, there's going to be many that manufacture small parts, and small parts need to be shipped. So a couple years ago, one of my clients that we also do merchant services for, they were pleased with the result there, so they had us take a look at their shipping. And this was a case of a company that really hadn't had their shipping looked at in a number of years, and so their discounts were very low. If you don't know much about shipping, every kind of pricing strategy seems like it's good because you get a 10% discount here, a 25% discount there. But the reality is, when you factor in certain variables, you could get those up to 60, 70, even 80% type discounts, right? So one of the things that this company wasn't doing right was they were just shipping, depending on which kiosk was open. If the UPS was open, they used that kiosk. If the FedEx was open, they used that kiosk. Not realizing with the amount of volume that they did, that if they did it all or mostly all with one supplier as compared to the other, they were going to get huge discounts from that. So, this company we took from roughly a discount of, let's say an average discount of 25% and moved it all the way up to about 75%. So this company was doing $120,000 in shipping spend a year, and we brought that down to roughly $80,000 a year. So saving them $40,000 a year.